inspired, basically.
Yes.
Okay. So if something attracting you and you want to become that, like IS officer uniform is attracting you and you want to become an IS officer,
it's
and you
according
think
to
you
them,
will
and
be
suppose
able
you are
to you
some-
think you will be able to improve the country just by attracting the uniform.
I want to tell you, suppose that everyone is different from each other. Do you believe in my points?
Okay. Yeah.
Everyone is different from each other. Suppose that some person is attracted towards a wrestling, doesn't mean he want to become IS officer. You can do whatever you want to do.
Yeah.
If
Yeah.
somebody give me a
I'm not-
goosebump, definitely I
yeah.
want to do.
My basic question was that what inspired you to become an IS officer?
I told you because I want to change the condition of our country. As we know that if you have any case, you are not eligible to crack any exam. Even
Sorry
you are
for interrupting, but may I know what kind of conditions you will able to enhance when
just because of politics, hate speech, bad speech. What is the condition of our country? All the politicians become a very higher. If I talk about the any criminals, they don't have a good degree. Even they don't know their his signature very well, but he run a country. So it's a problem of our country. Even if I talk about the politicians who rule a highly educated person, like who command us.
but how will you be able to change the politicians just by becoming an IS officer?
Single person can bring a revolution.
How?
Just because of, as we know that our constitution become give you some rights,
Okay.
and through these rights you can change the condition of a
So
country.
that right is applicable for each and every citizen. It
Yes.
doesn't mean that just after becoming an IS officer you will be able to
Suppose
use
that
those rights.
nowadays everybody has a right to speak, or freedom of speech.
Yeah.
Do you believe everybody can speak very well in front of any politician? If
Do you
have
think
a-
you will be able to speak very well in front of
yes,
a politician?
yes, because I know my
Then
rights very well.
you should choose politics, na?
Freedom of expression doesn't mean that you are only choose the politician. There are so many cases, there are so many various lines you can choose to express your words. Like if I talk about a journalist, do you know what is the ranking of journalists in India?
No, please tell.
It's 159
What?
out of 180.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, but if I talk about the previous cases, 171 ranking out of 185 countries. So that shows the condition of our country. Recently, you might have heard about a Mahakumbh.
See, it clearly reflects that how biased our mainstream media is.
Yes, sir.
This is what you want to explain.
But they only show
Okay,
one.
so now, do you know what is the job role of an IAS officer? You'll be responsible or accountable for a specific district. So in this case,